Hello, and welcome to Lake Street Crossing on Ravenna Railfan 4070. Here we have the unusual chance to see a railroad crossing torn up. New asphalt for Lake Street, or Lake Avenue as its technical name is going to be laid back in between the rails and between the far track and the west side of the crossing. See, there's old ties here, and they've piled up the asphalt there and there. Behind me here are some of the old ties and some of the old brackets. All the old spikes from the crossing are right there, and we'll just kind of go around this woods again. So that's what it looks like. The city's going to be redoing this crossing, like I said. City of Ravenna is going to be working here. And for the moment, they've got these road closed signs up. So, as you can see, you can't actually go over the crossing. But I can still get to where I park down here usually to film. So I will try not to have my eastbound shots blocked by the road closed signs, but that is an update on the crossing here, and I will post another video that's just the crossing when they've finished redoing it. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.